Hey guys, it's common these days to make money by uploading videos on YouTube. However, arranging a camera and microphone setup to make video isn't always easy for some people. Did you know that you can use AI to upload videos on YouTube without showing your face or voice and still earn money? In this video, I will walk you through the entire process by step. To get started, go to your browser and search for Movio. Choose the first link Choose the first website that appears, and I will leave the link in the comment section for you to check out. The website interface look like this, and you will see a sign in button in the top right corner. Click on it and complete the sign up process. It's easy, so let me quickly finish my sign up process and fast forward the video. After completing the sign up process, you will see an interface like this with many like premium quality categories of templates available here. If you want to create an advertisement related video, you can choose from the available templates. You'll find various templates such as the news, social media, explainer, etc. Since I am creating a video for YouTube, like I will click on the create video option and select landscape mode. Here you will create your video. On the left you will see various options such as templates, avatar, elements, etc. Click on the avatar option and choose your favorite avatar. I will select okay, I will select this avatar. Okay, now if you want a complete avatar like the one show here, you go back and click on the create video option. Okay, then go to the template option and choose a template that show the entire avatar's body. I will choose this news template here and edit it. First I will delete the default script and next I will click on the video and enlarge it. If you are thinking of copying news from some news sites and pasting it here, let me warn you that that's not a good idea, because you will receive a copyright strike and your video will be blocked on YouTube. You need to create your own video. Okay, so I will show you how to do that in this video. Wait, just watch till the end and you will know all of things. Let's edit this template a bit. For that, go to elements and select a good background image. There are many images available here, and I will choose this one and replace the background. Okay, to replace the background, you have to click the right click and replace with background option. Okay, so now I will delete everything except the avatar. Okay, so now to create the script, we will use ChatGPT. Since my channel has more AI related videos, I will choose the topic how to make an AI avatar on Midjourney for this video. So as you can see that ChatGPT is providing me with a script, and I wouldn't copy the entire things. I will just show you a small part of that. Okay, I'm copying the script and now pasting here. As you can see, there is an option for audio script. Okay, so if you have an audio file, you can upload it here, or you can give your own voice over here. Coming to this section, here you can customize your avatar's voice. Here are many voices available, as you can see. But you have to remember one thing: the diamond shine voice isn't accessible, as it is a premium feature, so you can't access these voices. So okay, I select this, and it's done. But okay, so it's very short video, you can see 34 seconds. So let me add more script. Okay, so I will copy some script over here and paste it in. Okay, now the video length is 54 seconds. Okay, now here keep in mind that the length of the video should not exceed to 60 seconds, as the site allows only 1 minute of free video. So if you want to create a longer videos, then you will have to pay. But since we all want things for free and you watching my video, so I will show you how to make multiple videos in the same website. You just need to watch the entire video. Okay, click on the submit button. So then click again to the submit button. Okay, uh, now here you will have to wait for some few minutes. Let the video process. Once the video is completed, click here to download it. So now coming to the third point, that how you can use this site for multiple times. So once you logged out of this site, you will be redirected to the sign in page. Now you need to sign up with another email. If you don't have another email, don't worry. Simply go to the Google and search for temp mail. You will find many websites, but I recommend this particular one. Now, once you go there, you will get a free temporary email address. Copy it and paste it to the movie website. Then for the verification code, go back to the temp mail website and just copy the code. You can see the code is here. Okay, so now copy the code and again paste to the movie website. Okay, so keep doing this if you want to create a video for free. Thank you for watching the video. I hope in this video you learned something new. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you again.